God, I can't do it. I literally cannot do it. All right, let's take these. It's distracting. I think that's. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I want to ask you a very important question. Whether you're starting YouTube or you're actually been doing it for a really long time. Well, not really a really long time, but you get the idea. What camera do you think is the best camera for YouTube beginners? Today, we're gonna find that out. Yep, that's right. It's your phone. Whatever's in your pocket, whether you have the older iPhone all the way back to the 10 or the 11 or the 11 Pro, or all the way up to the new ones, the 13 Pros, the 13 Pro Max, the 14 Pros. Whether you're an Android user or an Apple user, I am definitely an Apple user, and right now I'm actually shooting on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hands down, it is the easiest way to make content, whether you're making vlog style videos, tutorial style videos, or any other hands-on unboxing type of videos. All you have to do is just pull it out of your pocket, start recording. You can change your settings just in an instant, and then you can also not have to rely on any other lenses because you have 3 built in. Unless you have the 14 Pro or Pro Max, then you have the 4 built-in lenses. Understand that it is not going to be a professional camera. Yes, it can get very close to the new entry-level DSLRs, whether you're using the cinematic mode, you're using the regular video mode in 4K ProRes, or you're using the photo mode, whether you're using the portrait, use it in RAW. They do an amazing job, not only just to get you started. Some of these content creators, that's all they use is just a phone. I know a small handful of them that I watch on YouTube personally. I can't remember them, but I know I watch them because they teach them all the time, like everyday smartphone filmmaking. Bennett Grazer, he's definitely a big one that I really love watching and listening to his tips, and also just seeing what kind of content you can create with a smartphone. Dating back to my older video, does gear matter? It doesn't. It really does not. Whether you're starting or not starting, that's what matters. And whether you can actually keep your viewer interested and create a story for them and build that community with them and teach them something. You don't need the latest and greatest iPhone every single year. All you need to do is just start. Understand that you're not gonna reach 1 million, 2 million, 5 million people off of your first few videos. Yes, you might have a couple of videos starting out that are actually gonna hit the algorithm and reach people and have YouTube push that up. But just understand that you gotta start somewhere, just like me. I mean, I'm sitting here talking to the camera, which I honestly thought I would never do, but I'm starting somewhere. I'm starting from scratch. I started with, I think, 30 subscribers last month, and now gained 100 in the last month. And I'm very grateful for each and every single one of you to have built this such an amazing small community. And I really want us to keep pushing that and pushing that. But with that being said, I know what I'm shooting on. I know my expectations that I'm shooting on just a phone. But these apps out there, and understanding that you can edit really good on these apps and do things that you didn't think you could actually do on a phone, like, it's very amazing how far smartphones have come in the past few years. Being a beginner YouTuber and having a phone in your pocket that you use every single day, the time now honestly has not been easier. Like, especially with the people that have built a pathway for us new YouTubers and new content creators. It is so easy just to pull out your phone, start recording, make sure you have a good story to tell, make sure your editing is good. All you have to do is have great audio and be able to tell a story and deliver a message or deliver anything that the viewer's looking for, whether it's knowledge or just a story to be entertained by. With all that being said, I actually made a video that we're about to watch, and it was a short little sequence of me getting some presents wrapped and some really nice details that the cinematic mode can actually capture. And in the video, I'll actually make a quick list of some things that I have preset in my camera that could help you too, whether you have different settings that may help you or you want to use these settings. It's completely up to you. But with that being said, unleash your creativity, unleash yourself into this world of being a content creator and give the world your voice. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and feel free to like the video. If you like the video, leave a comment on which phone you're using and how many subscribers you have, and feel free to give me that subscribe button, as it would help the channel. Peace.